Hi, sophomores. I just did another one for seniors, so it's like a little hesitation. It's Miss Dixon. This is your week. This is the week that you take the EOC on Thursday. So what you see on the screen right now is it's the B Day slides, but A Day is pretty much the same. Okay. Um, if you are listening to this Tuesday for B Day, people, we are actually going to meet in A203 today for periods 5th and 6th. Both periods are in the same place. They are using our room for testing for EOC 1. Then, of course, EOC 2, there's no class on Thursday because you guys are going to be testing. So this week is kind of just to prepare, to relax, some last minute reminders, and so forth. Okay, so basically, um, well, let me back up a little bit. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday's gone because I'm uploading this on Tuesday morning. But Wednesday and Friday, Wednesday afternoon, Friday morning are tutoring times if you need help with anything or have any questions. Okay, so basically, you guys, we're going to look at the Penguin informational article. Monday, Wednesday, Friday people did this on yesterday. Tuesday, Thursday people, B-Day folks, you guys started this last week. So we'll kind of go over it and kind of finish it up. We're going to talk about transitions in your essays. We're going to do a little focus activity, what to expect tomorrow on Thursday, day after tomorrow, and so forth. So really, you guys, and Monday, Wednesday, Friday is basically the same thing. You're just kind of, we're just doing some last minute kind of fun things. One thing that we are going to do, and I'm going to actually type it as I talk about it, is we're going to, one more time, do thesis statements. We're going to play a little game today. Where we're going to use a Jamboard and we're going to create thesis statements so that it becomes automatic. You don't have to think about it. You can just do it and pass that essay. Okay, so you guys, this week, if you have any questions at all, please get in touch with me. Remember that for the STAR, a couple of things real quick before I sign off. You're going to arrive on Thursday between 8:30 and 9. You're going to report to your testing rooms before 9:30. And if you have like a special room that you need to know that you're going to go to or what have you, there are plenty of people that are going to be here to direct you to where you need to go. So no worries, okay? And there'll be posters up and all kinds of stuff. And just ask any adult, where you need to go, and they'll get you to where you need, okay? Bring a lunch or plan to eat a school sack lunch. Students will not be able to go to the cafeteria. Plan to remain in the testing room for 5 hours plus lunch. You might go back to 7th period for maybe 15, 20 minutes, perhaps, maybe. But you can't, a lot of people have been asking me, can I leave? I'm asynchronous, I'm virtual. Can I leave as soon as I get done? And you cannot. You need to stay in the room, okay? Any belongings, go ahead and bring your regular clear backpack like you would any other day, if it was normal times, okay? A couple other things, this is what the schedule is going to look like. 8:30 to 9, you get on campus, you're going to be in the courtyard, then they'll have you all come in at 9. You'll report as quickly as possible to your room. Again, people will be here to help you, so no worries. 9:30 to 1:30 roughly, you'll be testing. Then you'll take a lunch break from 1:30 to 2. And then testing will continue from 2 to 3. And like I said, you may go back down to 7th period for just a few minutes and just kind of unwind before you actually leave for the day. Okay, so you guys, No worries. Any last minute preparation the next 2 days? If you look for this little icon, you go onto Launchpad, you click Learning Express, or you get to Learning Express through library resources. You can click on this and do a little bit more prep. Okay. No worries, you guys. I want you to breathe through this. Believe in yourself. Believe in the power of your mind. You guys can do this. I am proud of how you've spent the last 3 weeks prepping, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.